So let's spend just a few moments doing exactly that. Finding peace, finding stillness, finding ourselves. Right here, right now, right where we are, we allow ourselves to be supported, both by the chair we are sitting in and by the very divine nature which flows through our being. Easing in to that divinity, we consciously begin to tune out outer distractions. The noise of the room, the thoughts of what we'll do later. We feel those things gently drifting from awareness. And the presence of God becoming more and more clear. And so we take a breath in, we release that breath, and we come into this time with only one desire in our heart. The desire to know God, to know Spirit, to know divinity. And we allow that desire to reverberate through us as we rest in the silence. And so ever so gently, we're called back to this place. As the awareness of the outer returns, it brings with it the truth that we can return to this grounded, centered place whenever we choose. And so gratitude fills our heart for the knowledge that all we need do is breathe, release, and connect, and we are there. And it is for this truth that we are grateful for this day. And so it is. Amen.